Avoid these three mistakes before buying a top-load washing machine. Also find the pros and cons. Are you in market for the new washing machine? Before you make that purchase, there are three common mistakes you should avoid. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of top-loading machine and guide you through the top 3 mistakes to avoid when buying one. So let's get started. Number 1. Not considering the dimension. One of the most critical mistakes is not measuring the space where the washing machine will be placed. Make sure to measure your laundry area and check the dimension of top-loading machine you are interested in. This will help ensure that the machine fits properly in your designated place. Mistake number 2. Overlooking noise level. Noise can be a significant factor to consider when purchasing the washing machine, especially if your laundry area is near living space or bedroom. Be sure to look for the model with a low noise level so you can enjoy the peaceful home environment even while the machine is running. Mistake number 3. Not considering easy of use. Accessibility is crucial when it comes to top-loading washing machine. Some models have deep drums, making it difficult to reach items at the bottom, especially for the people with mobility issues. Look for the machine with ergonomic design features such as higher drum position or built-in lighting to make loading and unloading easily. Now we have covered these 3 mistakes to avoid. Let's discuss the pros and cons of top-loading washing machine. Let me talk about the pros. Top-loading washing machines are generally more affordable compared to front-loading models. But there are some cons. They typically use more water and energy per load. Now, let's talk about pros again. Top loaders are easy to load and unload since you don't have to bend down. Con. They may have a smaller capacity compared to front-loading machine. Now, third pros. Top loaders often have a shorter wash cycle, saving your time. They can be rougher on clothes due to the center of the drum. In addition to avoiding these 3 mistakes, here are a few more tips to consider when buying a top-loading machine. Look for the energy-efficient model with high efficiency rating to save on water and electricity costs. Check for features like different wash program, load-sensitive technology, and adjustable settings. Read customer review and rating to get insight into reliability and performance of different models. And there you have it. By avoiding these 3 mistakes and understanding the pros and cons, you will be better equipped to make the informed decision when buying a top-loading machine. We hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. And I'm mentioning the best-selling top-loading washing machine in the description box. From there, you can go and check out some of the best-selling top-loading machine to get more reviews. Thank you so much.